Hey, what is going on, fam? So check it out. We have black carbon fiber paddle shifters for the 10 Gen Accord. Also for the Civic 11 Gen Civic, and they do come in red as well. This is a black one, so yeah, pretty dope, right? Very lightweight. Even the box itself is just very lightweight, really nice. Links in the description of this video. But to install them, they're super easy. They're literally on the other side. Peel that off and stick it on. It's on the plus side, it's gonna go on the right side. That's how it looks right now, and we'll see how it looks once it's installed. And it fits perfectly in that groove over there under these paddle shifters. It goes, this literally just goes right in, and just squeeze them together, you know, for give it like a good minute, so it stays there, and you'll be good to go from there. At the bottom, press them together, just like that, and we'll see the final result when both sides are done. And the side angle for you guys, look at that, really nice. Super easy, fits right in. Smooth them together. Here we have it, done on this side as well, and that's how it looks. Pretty cool. It's done.